Hi, this is Ashat Goyal from BimSrv Education. In this video, we'll try to understand the concept of survey point and project Basepoint. This video is a part of the Revit Architecture course available at BimSrv Education. Join this course now for downloadable resources such as templates, assignments, and live instructor-led sessions. On completing the course, you get a downloadable certificate of completion as well. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the red subscribe button for new videos every day. Let's open the exercise file setting project basepoint.rvt. As the file opens up, we see these overlapping icons. These are survey point and project Basepoint. And this is the default location of these points. Survey point is provided in a survey plan, which is provided by a surveyor. This point represents the real-world benchmark or survey markers used by the surveyors. The location of survey point depends on the way it is located on survey drawing and how the project needs to be set up, or also your office standards. For now, we locate the survey point at the bottom left corner of a survey boundary, here at this point. To do this, I'll switch to south elevation view and have a look at these points. They're not visible as of now. I'll click here on this Reveal Hidden Elements tool to check out if the survey and the base points have been hidden in the view. Here I can see these. So I'll select and then click Unhide Category tool here. This reveals the 2 points, the project base point. When selected, it reveals the value of north-south, east-west, and elevation. All these values are 0. It also reveals the angle from true north as 0 degrees. Also notice the project Basepoint lies on level 1, which is also set to a value of 0. I'll select both the points and use the filter tool to select out only the survey point. The filter tool is a useful tool to select specific elements in a situation where selecting these individually could be difficult or tricky. I'll now move the survey point such that it moves to a location which is roughly below the corner of my side boundary. I'll switch back to the Site tab and locate the survey point more precisely. Oh, the survey point is not visible. The site boundary itself is not visible. So I'll switch to wireframe view. Now that the survey point and the corner are visible, I'll move to the corner. And switch back to elevation tab to check out the survey point, which still lies on level 1. I'm now ready to set up my project Basepoint. The location of a project base point depends where we want to locate the building on the site. Here in this project, I would like to locate my building. Here, I would like to locate my building parallel to the contours. I want to do this because I want to take advantage of the slopes as well as the view from the site. I'll draw a small rectangle here to tentatively locate my building. I'll now move the project base point here to the bottom left corner of my rectangle here. This concludes the topic setting up project base point. In the next video, we'll learn about how to set up the project north and true north of a project.